trying to make y'all comfortable.
What's up, y'all? Back with another wig video, and today I'm gonna be working with WoWEbony. So they sent me over this full lace, y'all. Ain't no tracks up in here, no tracks at all. So yes, full lace Brazilian water wave, 20 inches, a color number 1. The cap size is medium. Always get medium cap size. The lace color is medium, and it's 130% density. I think 130% density is just right. It's not too thick and it's not too thin or stringy looking. So yeah, as you can see, it's just right. The curls are water wave, and I got them to pop like I always do, just using good old water and mousse. Yana helped me, so y'all will see her doing a little something. I'm gonna show y'all later on how we styled this wig. We plucked the parting and I applied some concealer. We did Yana's signature look, which y'all know she always having the front pushed back, which is so much better. I hate hair in my face, and plus the hair just be falling like right up in here, and it just do not look right. You need to frame and cut, and this is just so much better. It looks so much better. The hair is up and out of your face, and these curls are beautiful. Did I tell y'all it's 20 inches? Now, when I took the wig out of the box, it looked nothing like this. It was screaming for some moisture, some tender loving care. So this is WoWEbony's box, and inside of the box came this little pamphlet here, and it just shows you all their different wigs, how to take care of the wigs. And then inside the box, it came in this nice tissue paper. I don't know, I just love when wigs come wrapped up in tissue paper. It came with the elastic band. Honestly, I don't even need to sew in an elastic band. This wig cap is constructed perfectly for my head. And it came with the wig cap. It did come packaged in the plastic bag, and then with the what you call this, a net. So here go the details of the wig right here, right there on the tag. So as always, the link to this wig will be down below in the description box. And I thank y'all so much for supporting my wig videos. I know this is a vlogging channel. A few of you guys come over and support me on my wig videos, and I truly appreciate y'all for that. So if you're interested in watching me and Yana style this wig,